Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to be planning in the Erin Condren academic planner that I use as a social media planner using the Happy Planner colorful boxes and Dream Seeker sticker books. I have so many plan with me's using Dream Seeker, and I always grab it with the intention of using the feathers. But I always gravitate towards the florals. They always call my name. I always end up using these. But the other day, one of my subscribers, Renee Knight, mentioned if I had any ideas on how to use these feathers. So I thought that I would use them in my academic planner for this week. And I'll probably go ahead and do another plan with me in one of my happy planners using the feathers. But this week I thought I would use them here. So I'm going to grab one of these feathers and kind of lay it down right over here. This is where I indicate the videos that I do here on YouTube. So I'm going to place one there. And then I do want to place another one on this side, and this one will be facing right over here. So maybe right about there. And then as far as Tuesday, I believe I did see some monthly boxes, which I don't usually use, so I don't really have a need for them. So I thought that it would be perfect to use them to mark my videos as well. So let's go ahead and look for those. Okay, so right here, and maybe we could use the purple one. Okay, so this one could probably go off to the side just a little bit. So maybe like that. And then I did see some circle stickers right here that I think would be perfect if I kind of just layer it right over there. And how about we let's use this color right here. And I'm thinking maybe something like this. I think that looks really good. And then let's worry about... since we do have a box here and I need one for Friday, we'll go ahead and go back to a feather. And I'm still not sure what colorful box I would like to use with these. I originally thought black, but I'm not sure. So let's worry about this one. And I'm thinking maybe we could use this one. And this one could go right on this side. Perfect. And then we'll do a box for Saturday, and we'll go back to a feather on Sunday. So let's, I need the feather facing to the right. So this one looks like it's facing the right way. So I'm just going to place this one right over here. Perfect. So let's go back to the boxes. And that way that one could be used on Saturday. And this time, I think maybe we'll use a blue one since there's not a lot of blue on this side, like that. And let's grab our circle, of course. Okay, I think we could do this lighter green. So this one is just gonna go right there. Perfect. And so now let's see what else we could do. I'm not sure if I'll add any more feathers, but for now I think that's good. I do want some quotes. And these are cute. They're just see-through, and I don't feel like covering the to-dos, so I may skip on those. Okay, so I do see this feather washi, so that's something I could use as well, but where would I use it? Maybe that could go maybe in between Tuesday and Wednesday, and then maybe Thursday and Friday. Okay, so let's just try it out, see how that would look. So that doesn't look too bad actually. And I'm trying to get it right in the middle because it's not as wide. So maybe like that. And then we'll do this longer one over here. And I want to run it from the edge. So maybe right about there. So I'm just going to trim it down right there. Perfect. Okay, so that looks good. And then let's see what else we could find. Okay, so this one doesn't have too many headers. So I may not have something to put over the to-do, which I like alternating, but I don't think that's gonna be possible, which is okay, that's fine. Let's see, I love these right here. Those are so pretty. And I'm thinking maybe I could layer this one with one of the empty ones over here. They don't have anything. Maybe something like that. Or I did see these ones. These are skinnier. Okay, I think I like this one better. And that's a blue feather. So I think I'm going to put the blue maybe on Thursday over here. And let's go ahead and grab the green one. And that way we can layer it over here. Right there. And then this one could just go right on top. Okay, so something like that. And then maybe we could do the same thing maybe on Wednesday. And we'll go ahead and use, how about we use the yellow one? Let's go back to this one. Although there's not a lot of yellow. And that is a bright, bright yellow. So let's stay with the green. And let's choose the plain one. Which colors do they have? I think we're going to do the blue one this time. And again, I just want to put it right off to the side. Right about there. And then this one would be layered just the same. Just to give it a layering effect. So I do like that. And then let's go back to colorful boxes. I still don't know what colors I want to use. And I do see that we used a lot of purples, blues, and greens. So here are some. That is a really bright purple. This one is more toned down. I do like this blue too though. What about the green ones? What do we have here? So I used most of these and they were not the correct color. But how about we search for the black ones? I think that would really stand out and make the blues and the greens really pop. So I think I'm just going to go with the black one. I think it'll look really pretty. So I do need one on Monday. So we'll go ahead. Yes, that looks so pretty. And then we already have something for Tuesday. So we're all set right there, and then this one could go right over here for Tuesday. Thursday, I'm still not sure about a video, but I can always come back, grab my sticker book, and add a feather and a colorful box. So that's not a big deal. I just know that these videos are already set in stone, which are my plan with me. So we're set for Friday. We have that on Saturday, and we need another one on Sunday right over here. Maybe something like that. Okay, that looks really, really good. And then maybe I could add a feather going that way. Maybe one of the big ones. I think that would look cute, and obviously not in that one. So let's go back to this one. I need one that goes this way, maybe curved like that. And I was looking at this one, but this one's curved the wrong way. And, well, no, I could use this one, but let me see if I find a quote. Escape the ordinary. I like that. Will that one kind of match with one of them? Let's see. There's a blue one, but we did use that one. So let's try this one right here. Unless we use this one. I really like this color. It's so pretty. Kind of mixed with the pink, which we use down here and over here. So I'm thinking maybe it could go something like that. And then we'll grab the quote and just layer it. I think that's going to look so pretty. So let's try this out. Perfect. And then maybe something like that. Oh my goodness, that looks so pretty. I love this. And I think that's going to be it. So let me put all of this back. So here's the feather spread. I love it so much. This washi ended up being the perfect touch, or else it would be too plain. I love the fact that that one had feathers on it, and I'm glad that I ended up using the feathers. Thanks, Renee, for reminding me about these feathers, because I always just seem to gravitate towards the florals, and they're pretty and everything, but these feathers are also so beautiful. I love the colors in them. They're gorgeous, and I'm just glad that I finally used these feathers. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans, and I'll see you next time.